Hello, good evening. This is Issa Suleiman, the CEO of 234 Imports. You can visit our website www.234imports.com.ng. How do we search for product on the platform 1688 is today's lesson, and I hope you are going to listen carefully. For you to search for product on 1688, you have to use Google and Chrome. I believe we all have this on our phone, especially Android. That's the icon. The reason we are using Google Chrome is because they have the facility to translate languages to from one language to another. That is Google Chrome. And 1688.com is designed in Chinese. That's why we use Google Chrome so that we can translate to the language we want, of course, English. I have navigated to 1688.com. As we can see, we are waiting for it to load. Let us wait patiently. Make sure you have a stronger connection, unlike mine. I'm sorry to say that. Well, just wait for some seconds. Okay, let me try this. Make sure we use Google Chrome and make sure it is updated so that you don't find it challenging. All right, here we are. Well, it is fully loaded. It is fully loaded. So it is now fully loaded. As you can see, it is in Chinese. And that is one of the reasons we are using Google Chrome. Now you can see this icon, English, that says English. Okay, because I've been using it, it has to display, of course, the stored data. That's why the English pop up. Once I'm seeing it here, what I have to do is to click on that English. But if you are not seeing it here, okay, I'm seeing English because I'm using it. If you're not seeing it and nothing is there, all you have to do is click on these three dots, okay, at the right top corner of your browser. If you are using iPhone and your phone cannot install Google Chrome, you can make use of Safari, okay? I think Safari too has this translate function, all things being equal. So click on the three dots. I have done that. Here we see translate. You understand? This is what we need. At times, you might not see translate or find it difficult to find it. If that is the case, all you have to do is to update your Google Chrome. You should get something at this top which says newer version. Once you see newer version, you have to update. It means your Google Chrome is out of date. You need to do that. All right. So if your Google Chrome is not updated, you might not see this translate function, and we really need it. Mine is fully updated, and that's why I'm seeing it. So I have clicked it, and that is translate, and it is now in English content. This is what I want to achieve to start with. I can search for anything. Literally, hot product or trending product are always on the display on the front end page. You can scroll up and down and see hot selling product. If you have a particular product we want to search, this is the place whereby you input it. You can type it, whatever you want to search for. Click on that place, on this place, this space. Just like we do on AliExpress. So I've done that. It will load another page. You understand? This is second page. So now you click on this place again. Okay, that is where you are going to input what you want to search. So I'll click on that. Let me do that. Let me just type like drone. Okay, this platform is massive. Lots of product, tons of product direct from the manufacturers. All right, you can see different drones, very cheap. This is manual searching. This is how you search for anything. There are two methods of searching. You can do this, or you use a photo. If you have photo, and I prefer the photo type, you will know the reason. The photo type or picture search method is more powerful. Okay, once you have the picture, let's assume you see a bag and or a drone or anything, you might not even know the source or where is it from. All you have to do is to use the picture to search for the manufacturer that are having the particular product. I'll be showing you an example of how to go about it. The proper way of using picture search is, instead of this, in this address, instead of the normal 1680.com, now I'll do something different. You understand? Just what I'm going to do. Instead of normal 1680.com, I will not do that. I'll rather use page.1688.com. As you can see, page.1680.com. So, and I'll send that. It's loading. Let's wait patiently. Yes. It seems the same, right? The same thing, right? Don't worry, we have to do something. The next thing we have to do is that you can see it is mobile and view. Click the three dots again. You understand? Click there, which I'll be doing now, and you can see from the something that says desktop view. It has to be on Safari. It might request for desktop view. Yes, the reason it has to be in desktop view is that photo search is not good on mobile. For photo or picture search, has to be on desktop view. If you're using laptop, you are covered. But if you're using mobile phone, you have to follow this process and still convert your mobile phone to desktop. I have done that, and let us wait for it to load. This is my phone, but it will load as if I'm using desktop due to the Google due to the translate I use. I'm sorry, go desktop view. So you can see the interface here is different from normal mobile view, or different from what we see previously. The other one is mobile view. We cannot use that one for photo search. This one we load now is desktop search site, and we can search we can search item from photo. The interface, you can see the interface. Of course, this is you might have to zoom and search what you want. You understand? I believe some of us are using smartphone. You can zoom it and get what you want. It's only desktop that you can search using photo. That is page.1688.com. Please don't mistake one for another. Okay. If you're using laptop, in fact, all these things we are saying, you are covered. You don't need to, do all these things, because some of us, 80% of us are using mobile phone. So that's why we have to go through this process while searching for photo on 1688. Okay. Be very careful here, because lots of links. This is the search bar. This is the search bar. All right. But that's not what we need. What we need is here. You can see an icon that look like a camera. That is to indicate that you can input the photo and search what you want. All you have to do is to click on the icon. I've done that. Once you click on it, it takes you to your phone, the gallery of your phone, and from there you can pick any picture, any item you want to search for. Okay, lot of pictures on my phone, but let me just pick whatever I can pick here. I think I have to use let's assume that I saw this particular leg, a shoe from a friend, and I want to know if the manufacturers, I want to know the manufacturers. I want to know the cost. So I have to pick the picture and place the search using the camera search icon. I have done that, and it's loading. We need to wait patiently and get it. Okay, so we have to wait for some time. It's loading. I think in the next few seconds we'll get it. Okay. Well, it's still it's coming. Here we are. All right, this is wonderful. It's fully loaded. Let me zoom it. This is the particular picture I used to play the search. You can see. Let me zoom it very well. You can see different manufacturers that is having the same pair of shoe. This is the particular picture I use. It has returned manufacturers. that are having these particular legs. These are all. Look at them all. I just hope you are using laptop so that you get it bright. This is why I like this method. Photosat gives me a lot of options. Just get a picture, use it to search, and get to the manufacturer directly. So I believe now how to search for product, you should be familiar with it. And this is the major thing in this training. Please take your time, practicalize it, and ask question. I'm always available to answer your question. All right. We might have to stop here for today and well, see you in our next class.